and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we learn nursery alphabets. A is for apple, A is for ant, A is for alligator, aeroplane, ant, angel, apple, X. B is for ball, B is for bee, B is for butterfly, B is for bus, B is for baby, B is for balloon, B is for book, B is for banana, broccoli, basket, blueberries, book, nana, bulldozer, broom. Let's learn letter C. C is for cow, C is for carrot, C is for caterpillar, C is for cat, C is for camel, C is for cake, C is for cheetah, C is for carrot. Let's learn our letter for C. Cherry, caterpillar, cake, camel, car, cat, cheetah. D is for duck, D is for dog. Dogs are playing with ball. D is for donkey, D is for dinosaur, D is for deer. Let's learn our letter for D. Deer, duck, donkey, dragonfly, dog. E is for elephant, E is for eagle, E is for eel. Let's learn our letter for E. Eagle, emo, eel, elephant. F is for fox, F is for fish, F is for flamingo, F is for fan. Let's learn our letter for F. Flag, fox, fly, fish, fire, engine, flowers, fog, and fruits. G is for giraffe, G is for goat, G is for gorilla, G is for goldfish. Let's learn the letter G. Girl, gorilla, giraffe, goat, gecko. H for horse. Boy is riding a horse. H for house, H for hen, H for hockey, H for hut, H for hat. Now read aloud with me. H for house, H for hen, H for hamster, H for hippo. I is for ice cream, I is for iron, I is for ink. I is for iguana, I is for igloo. Let's learn letter J. J is for juice, J is for jug, J is for jellyfish, J is for jam. J is for jacket, J is for jelly beans, J is for jelly. Let's learn things start with J. Jackfruit, jam, jacket, jeep, jug, juice, jeans, jelly, jar, joker. Let's learn letter K. K is for key, K is for ketchup, K is for kangaroo, K is for king, K is for king cobra, K is for kitten, K is for kids. Kids are cheering. Things that start with K. Knife, kite, knee. Koala, kangaroo, kiwi bird, kink. Kiwi fruit, kennel, kitten, kitchen, key, kettle, kit. L is for line, L is for leaf, L is for ladybug. L is for ladder, L is for lamp, L is for lip, L is for lock. Things start with L. Lion, log. Lotus flower, leaf. Lamp, ladder, lemon. Leg, lips, lizard. Let's learn letter for M. M is for mouse, M is for monkey, M is for moon. Monkey, moon, mango, mouth, mussel, mushroom, mouse, milk, mirror, mother. Mother is making food stuff. N is for nest, N is for neck, N is for nose. Let's learn letter for N. N is for night, newspaper,